Omujumbe w'ebunge ya Kitutu Church South Muski Anthony Kibagendi nigatinenirwa boigo gutekerana ase ebikaro bya ebunge nene ase entunda ya kabererero emagega yokorekana komoji ebunge eyo ase ogoteba buna nigegorire. Omuski Kibagendi nigegwa amatuko 14 gutekerana ase ebikaro na boigo chikomiti chiebunge eyo.
And Mr. Speaker, I raise on a point of order pursuant to the provision of Standing Orders 1081 of the National Assembly Standing Orders. I raise to invite the House to name Honorable Member for Kitutu Church constituency for grossly disorderly conduct. Honorable Speaker, as I recall, after being moved by this House, the Honorable Speaker directed that the member be excluded from the precincts of Parliament until he submits an appropriately worded apology to the House. Speaker, I have seen the honorable member within the precincts of Parliament, yet I have not seen, heard or read any of such apology being given.
It's for you to decide. And this has nothing to remove, or with the removal of Honorable Anthony Kibagendi from his seat as MP for the good people of Kenya he represents. It is strictly a matter of, privilege and a matter falling under the provisions of Standing Order number 108. Now, honorable members, I put the question that the Honorable Anthony Kibagendi be suspended from the service of the House for a period of 14 days from today. Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Will as many as are of the contrary opinion say nay? Nay. The ayes have it. Yes, sir. Honorable Kibagendi? You have been suspended from the service of the House for 14 days, beginning the time the House made the decision. I know you will disobey, you will obey the order. Honorable Kibagendi, you will leave the House. You are for now a stranger in the House. Please leave.